Hello children. Children, today I am going to explain the first chapter of your Maths Magic book, and the name of the chapter is The Fish Tale. Let's start. So here we have one haiku. Deep under the sea, see the lovely colored fish swimming peacefully. So children, this is a special poem and it is three-line poem, and in Japan this poem is known as haiku. So here we have one more poem. The lake calm, smooth, still a fish jumps up and returns, ripples shake the lake. Again here you can see this poem is of three line, and such type of poems are popular in Japan, and this poem is known as haiku. Do you know any poems about fish? I think you all know, you all have heard मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. And one more poem I have written here about fish. Please go through this poem. Next, here are some drawings made by children. Here you can see we have some drawings made by children. And when you think of fishes, what shapes come to your mind? बच्चों, जब आप लोग फिश के बारे में सोचते हो तो आपके माइंड में क्या शेप्स आते हैं? So I have drawn some shapes over here. Please go through these shapes, and you can draw a triangle in this way, and you can draw one more triangle in this way, and you can get a fish like this also. So these shapes comes in your mind when you think of fish. Try to use a square and a triangle to draw a fish. So here you can see I have drawn a fish by using a square and a triangle. Now here again you can see I have drawn the fish, and I have used two shapes over here, triangle and squares. Now look for fish designs around you on cloth, in paintings, on mats, etc. So children, here you can see fish designs on paintings, mats, etc. Mean means a fish, and Meenakshi is a girl whose eyes look like a fish. So this girl name is Meenakshi and her eyes look like a fish. Okay, can you think of someone who has such eyes? So yes, you can. I have drawn a girl in next page. I will show you later on. Draw a face with fish eyes. I will show this in next page. Now fishes can have very different sizes. The smallest fish is about 1 centimeter long. So जो smallest fish का जो size है that is 1 centimeter. Okay, length जो है smallest fish का it is 1 centimeter. And here I have not drawn, I have one image of a smallest fish. You can see here on the top we have one smallest fish, and the length of this fish is about 1 centimeter, and the name of this fish is Padocyprisis progentica. So this fish is about 1 centimeter. And how long is the biggest fish you can imagine? So here I have written 18 meter. The length of whale fish is about 18 meter. How many times longer is your big fish than the smallest fish? We will do it later. Now the biggest fish is the whale shark. It is actually not a whale but a big fish. Okay, so this is a whale shark. It is not a whale but a big fish. Whales are different from fish. Whales जो है वो different हैं fish से. Whales breathe like we do through their noses. So you all know we human beings breathe through our noses, same like that. These whales also breathe from their noses, but fish have no noses and they take in water, not air. जो fish होती हैं they have no noses and they breathe through their gills. Okay, now whales give birth to babies like human beings. Whales give birth to babies, but fish lay eggs like hen lay eggs, same like that fish also lay eggs. The whale shark fish looks big and dangerous, but it's quite harmless. It does not attack humans. Whale shark जो होते हैं it looks dangerous and big, but it is quite harmless and it does not attack humans. Now what is written over here? Whale shark was as long as 18 meter. Just think how long that is. Almost 12 children of your size standing one top of the other. अगर आपके साइज के 12 चिल्ड्रन एक दूसरे के ऊपर खड़े होंगे, then the size that you will get will be the size of the whale shark. Okay, 12 children अगर आप लोग ऐसे खड़े होंगे स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में एक दूसरे के ऊपर, सो जो साइज आपके पास आएगा दैट विल बी द लेंथ ऑफ द whale shark. Okay, and that will be about 18 meter. And guess what it weighed? Well, much more than that 12 of you together weight. Its weight was about 16 kg. So what is given here in the question कि whale का जो weight है it will be about 16,000 kg, not 16 kg, it will be about 16,000 kg. Now here I have done the question part. So here you can see the girl and she has the eyes like fish. Now how long is the biggest fish you can imagine? So white shark is as long as 18 meter, and I can imagine a fish about 18 meter long. I have written the answer. Next question, how many times longer is your big fish than the smallest fish? So children, you have already read that the size of the smallest fish is 1 centimeter and the size of the longest fish is 18 meter. Here you can see what is written centimeter and here meter. So our first step is to convert it into same unit, and you all know 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So what I have done here children, 18 meter equals, in place of this meter I have written 100 centimeter. I have multiplied 18 by 100 centimeter and our answer is 1800 centimeter. So the length of the longest fish, I have written LF. LF means longest fish. The length of the longest fish is 1800 into 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is the length of the smallest fish. So how you will give the answer? What you will say? 1800 times of smallest fish is the length of the longest fish. Okay, so in this way you have to complete these questions. I hope these questions are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.